تقبل الله منا ومنكم صالح الأعمال. May Allah accept our deeds, brothers and sisters. عيدكم مبارك. May Allah grant you all a blessed Eid.
نتمنى لكم عيدا سعيدا. عيد مبارك.
عيد مبارك.
عيد مبارك.
عيد وناكسن. عيد مبارك everybody.
Wir wünschen euch ein Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
أختاد مبارك سيخالكو طولة.
Assalamu alaikum from the team at Task Force GLM. We hope that you have an amazing Eid and a big Eid Mubarak from us and from the kids in the camps.
आप सबको हमारी तरफ से ईद मुबारक. Eid Mubarak everyone. تقبل الله منا ومنكم صالح الأعمال. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all of your good deeds, your prayer and your fasting. Ameen. I want to share with you 7 things you should remember for Eid. The first and most important one is that you should ensure you have paid your Zakatul Fitr. Now, this should have been sent off way before you go for the Eid prayer. But the deadline, the last time you can pay, is actually before the Eid Salah starts. So make sure that you've done that, and it is an obligation, of course. The other thing is that you should recite the Takbir. Now, the Takbir is saying Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Lillahi alhamd. We say this from the time Eid is announced, which is around Maghrib time, the day before, all the way up to when the Salah starts. So you should be saying that whether you're at home or in your car or on your way to the Eid prayer, recite the Takbir and glorify Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Third point is that you should shower and perform the GHUSL. This is again a sunnah of the Eid that our Prophet ﷺ and the Sahaba did. You should also wear your best clothings. The Prophet ﷺ had a special cloak that he would wear for Eid, and it is sunnah to be dressed as nice as possible for the Eid, of course. The 5th sunnah is that you should eat an odd number of dates before you leave your home. The Prophet ﷺ used to do it. It is a sunnah, and I encourage all of you to do it. The 6th one is that you take one route towards the Eid prayer, but when you're going back home, you take another. And this is something the Prophet ﷺ used to do quite often. And the scholars mention a benefit of this, which is that the ground you're walking on will testify in Allah on your behalf. In any case, it is sunnah, you should do it. Finally, you should greet one another and make dua for each other. You should say, تقبل الله منا ومنكم صالح الأعمال, Eid Mubarak and the like. And you should say this and you should spread the greetings and spread the happiness and spread the joy. This is what Eid is about. It's a time of joy and happiness. And may you all have a beautiful and blessed Eid. Assalamu alaikum.